The story of Lord Shiva and Parvati's role in removing the curse of the Forest of Love, often associated with the tale of the Forest of Kama, or Cupid, is a beautiful narrative reflecting themes of love, devotion, and the triumph of good over evil. The Curse of the Forest of Love. Once upon a time, there was a vibrant forest known as the Forest of Love, where creatures lived in harmony, and love blossomed in every corner. However, the forest fell under the wrath of the sage Durvasa. Offended by the arrogance of the forest's inhabitants, he cursed it, declaring that love would no longer flourish there. Instead, the forest would turn into a desolate place, where sorrow and separation would reign. This curse brought despair to all the beings who thrived on love and affection. Parvati's compassion. Years later, Parvati, the divine consort of Lord Shiva, learned about the plight of the forest and its inhabitants. Moved by compassion, she decided to intervene. Parvati's love for all beings and her desire to restore happiness led her to seek Shiva's help. The plea to Lord Shiva Parvati approached Shiva in the serene abode of Mount Kailash. She expressed her concern for the cursed forest and its inhabitants, asking him to help restore love and joy. Shiva, known for his benevolence, agreed to help his beloved Parvati. He understood the importance of love in the universe and the impact of Durvasa's curse, the invocation of love. Together, Shiva and Parvati decided to perform a powerful yajna, fire sacrifice, to invoke the essence of love. They invited the deities and celestial beings to join them in their quest. As the fire blazed and the rituals were performed, the air filled with the sweet fragrance of flowers, and the chants resonated with love and devotion. The return of love. Their unwavering devotion reached the heavens, and the celestial beings were moved by their sincerity. Soon a radiant figure appeared before them, Kama, the god of love. He had been dormant due to Durvasa's curse, but was awakened by the divine love emanating from Shiva and Parvati. Kama approached the couple and expressed his gratitude for their devotion. He assured them that he would return to the Forest of Love and reignite the flames of passion and affection. With his presence, the curse was lifted and the forest blossomed anew, the restoration of harmony. As love returned to the forest, the inhabitants rejoiced, celebrating the restoration of their beloved home. Flowers bloomed, and the once silent trees echoed with laughter and joy. Parvati and Shiva watched, their hearts filled with happiness at the sight of love triumphing over despair. Conclusion. This story beautifully illustrates the power of love, compassion, and unity. It emphasizes how devotion and kindness can overcome even the darkest curses, restoring harmony to the world. Shiva and Parvati, as the embodiments of love and devotion, remind us that true love can conquer all challenges, nurturing the essence of life itself.